up, you guys? It's Judy here with My Life as Geekai. On this channel, I create videos on product reviews, makeup tutorials, and lifestyle advice with the aim to entertain, educate, and enrich the lives of others. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'd love for you to join the Geekai family, and if you're returning here to my channel, then welcome back. I'm so very excited to be coming to you with today's video because this is another collab and with a really cool video concept as well. So today's video is being done in collaboration with Brianna. Her channel name is Purple Pink Red, and as usual I'll be leaving all her details in the description box down below. She is a brand new YouTuber, very new and young here on the YouTube platform, so please definitely go show her some love, go onto her channel, drop her a comment, drop her a like, and tell her that Judy sent you. She and I are both going to be doing makeup looks today inspired by Little Mix's official music video called Bounce Back. Honestly, the makeup looks in this music video, I want to know who the makeup artist is for Little Mix because the makeup looks in this music video, man, they are some colorful shit and so inspiring to me. I love the bright, colorful, out there sort of makeup looks. And so for today, I'm going to be doing this makeup look that I'm going to edit into the video right here. I wanted to do this blue one, but I didn't have any blue mascara on hand with me, and I wanted to create a makeup look that I could do with products that I already have. So if you want to see me recreate a look inspired by this makeup look right here, then just keep on watching. But before I get into it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, ring the bell because I put out 3 videos every single week. You can also follow me on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them are Life as Geekai. And don't forget to go into the description box down below and check out Brianna's channel called Purple Pink Red. Go check out her video. I'm also going to leave that video linked in the description box down below. Let's get straight into this video. Okay, I've got my reference photo right here. I'm going to start by laying down a base for my eyelid. So I'm going to go in with a bit of Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer. And I'm just going to set that down with some powder. From the looks of the photo, she does have a bit of a warm transition crease. So to create that crease shade, I want to go into this color here. This is the Juvia's Place Nubian eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to start to create the shape of that cut crease with this color here. I'm going to start to go in with a little bit of a darker brown shade, but not as high up in the transition. So I'm just going to take a bit of this one here. I'm going to leave the transition work at that and now start to cut my crease. Again, I'm just going to use some of that Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer. And my favorite brush to cut creases with is actually this tiny little lip brush that I bought off a $2 brush set off Wish. And I have since thrown away all the other brushes from that set except for this one, because this one is actually really, really good for cutting creases. I'm kind of struggling with the outer wing part of the cut crease because I don't normally do cut creases all the way out here. I normally just stop around here. So this is definitely a learning process for me. I don't think I really have the eye shape for this type of cut crease, but you know what? I'm gonna make this work. I've had to edit out so many parts of this where I've gone back and forth and had to reapply that crease. I just can't quite seem to get the shape right. I think it's just my eye shape is not appropriate for this style of cut crease, but I'm determined to come up with at least some type of cut crease that looks good on my eye shape.
One eternity later.
Okay, finally. It's only taken me it literally taken me about 15 minutes to do this. So from the looks of the photo and the video, from what I could see, it looked like she had all matte pink eyeshadow all over her eyelid. There was no shimmers in this look. Even her contour and highlight are all very matte looking, and the highlight on her face looks very ambient. So I'm gonna stick to a matte pink shade. I'm gonna go into the pink shade from the James Charles eyeshadow palette. This one's in the shade called Skip, and I'm just gonna apply that all over where I laid down the concealer. allowing myself to be a bit messy on this outer part of the wing because I can just clean that up with a makeup wipe afterwards anyway. Alright, now I'm going to take a makeup wipe and just clean up the outer edge of that wing and try and bring some of that sharpness back. I'm kind of scared to see how much this pink eyeshadow stains my eyelid. From the looks of the photo, the color on her eyelids isn't as bright neon as what I've got on right now, so I'm going to tone down the pink. So I'm going to slightly tone down this pink with the shade Pinkity Drinkity in the James Charles eyeshadow palette. I'm now going to go in with a bit of black eyeliner. From the looks of the photo, she's got a very thin layer of eyeliner from the inner corner. It thickens up on the outside and then extends out very thinly to the outer wing. And then over the top of the cut crease, there is a very slight little black line that sort of shapes out the cut crease itself. Again, taking that makeup wipe and cleaning up the outer edge of that wing. To deepen up the upper part of my cut crease, I'm just going to go in with a darker brown eyeshadow and lightly deepen up the upper part of that cut crease, just to make it look a little bit more set into my eye. With a tiny little blending brush, I'm going to lightly buff out those edges. Now I'm going to go in with that slight little black line to cut the upper part of the crease as well. It's a very, very fine little black line, so wish me luck that I don't F this up. Okay, so this eye look is actually proving to be a whole lot more difficult than I thought it was going to be. So in the hopes of not having this video be 500,000 years long, I'm going to do my foundation, concealer, and highlight off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm back with my foundation, contour, and highlight. I have not yet baked my face because I want to go in with a bit of cream blush. The blush in this makeup look is quite out there and it's very noticeable. So I'm going to go in first with a bit of cream blush, and then over the top of that, I'm going to go in with a bit more of a baby pink doll-like type of blush powder. I'm going to go in with a L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Blush Shaping Stick, and I'm just going to apply that to the high points of my face and blend that in with a beauty sponge. I'm going to take some of that blush on the nose as well and on the high points of my forehead. Now I'm going to pat out the creases under my eyes and bake it with some RCMA No Color Powder. I'm also going to lightly dust the rest of my face with some powder as well. And now I'm going to just blend all of that bake away, pressing it further into the skin, and then lightly run that big fluffy brush over my face again. Now I'm going to finish off the eyes. There is no pink under the lower lash line. It just looks like there's a bit of a light wash of brown run under her lower lash line. So I'm just going to go in again with the Juvia's Place Nubian eyeshadow palette and blend in some of these two shades together under my lower lash line. Okay, now it doesn't really look like she has anything in her waterline, but I want to go in with a little bit of this ColourPop Cream Gel eyeliner in the shade Piggy Bank. I want to run some of this on my lower lash line. She has very, very heavy mascara on the lower lash line, so I'm going to go in with the Essence All Eyes on Me mascara. Okay, I'm back with mascara. I also just went in and applied a bit of falsies on the outer parts of my lash line. So this is just one eyelash, but I cut it down the middle and applied them to the outer parts of my eyes because from the looks of the video, they had a very doll-like inspiration for the music video. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna leave it listed in the description box down below. But you'll see what I mean when I say doll-like eyes. So what I've done is I've just applied the falsies to the outer part of my lash line to make my eyes look a little bit more cat-like. I've also applied a very light touch of bronzer. The bronzer in this look is a very light sort of kiss. It's not a very sharp sort of contour. The blush, on the other hand, in this look is something else. It's a very bright baby doll pink type of blush. So I'm gonna go into the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette and pick up a bit of the shade Lena and B and mix those together and use that to blush up my cheeks. It's not quite as baby doll pink as I would like. It's looking a little bit more peach than pink. So I'm gonna find something else. I'm gonna go in with a bit of this blush from the Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop Face Palette. It's a little bit more of that baby doll pink that I'm trying to go for. That's better. This whole entire look has a very luminous type of glow, so I'm gonna go in with my Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette and dust this very lightly over the high points of my face. And I'm just gonna use a big fluffy brush to do that. I just realized this Morphe JH02 brush literally smells like horse. What are these bristles? They smell like horse. Ugh. I hate that smell so much. Okay, as far as lips go, in one photo they look quite pink, like almost matching the color on her eyes, and in another photo they look like a deep mauvey type of nude color. So I'm just gonna go with what I think will look nice. So I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop lip liner in the shade BFF2, and then over the top of that I'm gonna go in with this NYX creamy lipstick in the shade Doll. Quite appropriately named. Okay, this look has only taken me a couple hours. Okay, now this isn't part of the look, but I'm wanting a little bit of something in my inner corners. So I'm gonna go in with this color here in the Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop Face Palette, and I'm just gonna dust that in my inner corner. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna dust some of the Champagne Pop in there as well. I guess that's it. Well, I guess that's it for this makeup look, you guys. It took me about a couple hours to film this. I was just taking my time with it as well, and I was getting quite distracted with other bits and pieces. I was inspired by the music video and makeup in that music video to film this look, and I'm very happy to have been able to do it in collaboration with my new friend Brianna here on YouTube. Check out Brianna's video in the description box down below. Show her some love, give her a thumbs up, tell her that Judy sent you, and please be sure to subscribe to Brianna's channel. Now, this look, let's just say it's not my best look, but I found that the cut crease, it's not something that I would normally do on myself, so it was really good to be able to challenge myself to do something different, something I would not normally do. I don't know if it's an exact recreation of the look itself from the music video, but I think I got pretty damn close. Don't look too closely. I'm not happy with how I did the black eyeliner on the upper part of that crease, but from afar, from afar, it looks alright. Hey, doesn't it? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell because I put out 3 videos every single week. You can also follow me on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them are Life is Geekai. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I really truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Now baby I'm dancing, but I'm dancing with another man. What am I filming? I don't even know what I'm filming. What am I filming today? And why do I have glitter on my face? I didn't even put glitter on my face. And I'm gonna set that down with some And I'm gonna set that down with some clear translucent no color powder. I'm gonna set that and I'm gonna set that down with some translucent powder. What am I trying to say? What the f am I trying to say? And I'm gonna set that down with some powder. Stay hydrated, kids. Ooh, I got that all over my contacts. Heaven help me. This creamy lipstick in the shade. And then over the top of that, I'm going to use this I cannot speak.